everyone, welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today, I'm super excited to be partnering with FABFITFUN for this video. I'm so excited to be giving my first impressions and a true unboxing of this FABFITFUN Fall 2018 box. I have heard amazing things about FABFITFUN, specifically from my best friend. She loves FABFITFUN, so I'm so excited to actually be checking it out for myself and giving you guys my honest opinion and review on everything in this box. So give this video a thumbs up if you are excited. Let's get started. So for those of you that don't know what FABFITFUN is, it is a seasonal subscription box. So you get 4 boxes for the fall, winter, spring, and summer. And you get full-size products, which I'm actually really excited about because usually, I don't know, usually with subscription services, I'm used to like samples or like smaller products. But with this subscription service, you get full-size products. So the box is valued at over $200. And you can get the box for just $39.99 by using my code D. I will link my code and the link down below for you guys if y'all are interested. I'm so excited. I mean, just that alone really perked my ears up and was like, wait, I seriously need to try this. So each box is $49.99, but with my code D, you get $10 off, making it only $39.99 for a box that's valued at over $200. So in the box, you will get a range from fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. And I love the fact that you can actually also customize your box to your liking. So you can change and swap out, and you have options on picking between 2 and 3 items. So that I feel like is really cool. You're not just getting like, you know, the generic everybody gets it. You actually have some choices on top of the amazing price for the box. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got in my box. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. I feel like I just went on a shopping spree. So here is the box. I will show you guys a close-up. Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. I love the packaging, very cute. And it says in support of Right Action for Women. It's the Christina Applegate Foundation. So I really love that FABFITFUN supports women-founded companies and also amazing nonprofits. All right, so, ta-da! Oh my gosh! Here we go. So this is what the inside looks like. Okay, so here is the little magazine. On the back it says, show us your fall box, and you could win big, like really big. And this time it's a trip to St. Lucia. Ooh. Okay. And Christina Applegate. Oh, I love the fact that they have her on the front cover as well. Very cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it also shares everything that is in this box and gives like the retail prices. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you guys as well in the video so you guys know how much of an amazing deal this is. And there's a Life's Richer with Rica Luna Bars. Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna Bars. Share the love of FABFITFUN. Get 70 to 80% off full-size premium products every season. Again, y'all, D, and you can get the box for $39.99. Now I'm gonna be opening it. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. I feel like we're sharing an experience together because this is my very first FABFITFUN box. So, okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna share with you guys is this really cute umbrella. And the actual name for this umbrella is the Malandrino umbrella in red floral, and this retails for $39.99. And y'all, this is the first thing I pulled out, and it's already the price of what you pay for the subscription box. So such a good deal. I'm gonna open it up and see. I really like this, you guys. So I chose this umbrella because I really needed a new umbrella. The umbrella that I currently have, I've had since like elementary, middle school, and it looks so cheesy, but I love this floral one. Let me take it off. Oh, and there's like just a button you press. Wow. Peekaboo. All right, I love it. So cute. It's so florally. And yes, it does rain in Arizona. It actually rains for months. We're actually in monsoon season right now. Totally could use this umbrella too, like if I go to the beach, and I'm actually taking a trip down south in the coming months, so I'm gonna really be putting this to use because where I'm going, it rains a lot. Next, I have these GlamGlow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Woo! Y'all, first of all, I love GlamGlow products. My best friend actually put me onto GlamGlow because she sent me some beauty items from GlamGlow like a couple months ago, and I really love this brand. I'm seriously loving sheet masks. Like, I'm totally into like sheet masks and face masks, all that, like, oh. So the GlamGlow sheet mask retail for $18. I am super excited to try those masks out. I've actually never tried GlamGlow face mask before, so I'm really excited, but any other product from GlamGlow that I've ever tried, I've really loved. Next up is the original Beautyblender. Oh my goodness, love these for like getting the inside, like right by like the nose area. I tend to use it in like right under here to dab in my concealer. Love it so much, so cute. Wet, squeeze, bounce. Have you guys ever tried the Beautyblender? Let me know down below in the comments. They work really well. And this Beautyblender retails for $20. So y'all, if y'all are doing the math, like again, just this alone, you're basically, everything else is free pretty much. Ooh. So this next product I'm so excited about, and I'll tell you why in a second. It is the Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel, and they're like little tea towels that you also place in your kitchen. Oh my goodness, y'all, I love it. It's a set of 2, and I'm so excited about this because I totally need to switch out my kitchen towels, and these match my kitchen perfectly. It's like right behind me. It's my all white kitchen. I love my kitchen so much, and this will work perfectly in my kitchen. Oops. I love the pattern and the color. Oh my gosh, and it feels really good. What is this material? So it's 80% cotton, 20% polyester. It feels really good. I'm such like an adult who gets excited over like home stuff like I do. I get so excited about it. So these tea towels retail for $14.99. Next up is this ceramic and stainless steel teapot. So cute! And I love that it's ceramic, you guys. I recently got some new ceramic pots, so I've been like on a whole ceramic kick lately. When I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta get it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. Y'all, what? Where have I been, y'all? Where have I been? I should have like been getting these boxes. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it, and it's like where you put your tea in and then you just pour it. Yo, look at how beautiful. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And this will seriously go to good use because Jerry and I drink tea almost every single morning. If we don't drink tea in the morning, it's because we ran out of tea bags, and then we'll go to the store and get some. So I was so excited to see this, and yeah, I love it. Let's see what this retails for. So this Alfred Teapot retails for $26. And again, so like in here, it shares the retail price of it. In this box, you could have gotten the teapot, or you could have gotten like the, it's a Alfred French press. We're not big coffee drinkers in our house, so that's why it was super easy to pick the teacup, because we do drink a lot of tea. But yeah, that's what I mean by they let you customize things. So if you're not really like a tea drinker, you totally could get the coffee maker instead. And let me share really quickly, I just saw, so the total value of this fall box, dependent on selection, it ranges from $285.97 to $375.94. And you literally get this box for, if you use my code D, only $39.99. Okay, there's still some more stuff in here, but I see this and I know what it is, and I can't wait to open it because y'all know I love handbags. And this is a Vince Camuto tote, y'all. When I saw this as an option, I was so shook because, y'all, this retails for $128. Like, I'm just blown away by the amazing deals that I got in this box. So I'm so excited to open this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. So it comes in a Vince Camuto dust bag. And ta-da! Oh my goodness. I love it. Y'all know I'm a tote bag girl. I love tote bags. It's my favorite type of bag. Oh, wow. The lining is, wow. Incredible. I love this tote, you guys. It is made out of vegan leather, which is nice. All of the products in this fall box are all cruelty-free, which is really nice. And oh my goodness, it's really like lightweight. It's not very heavy. I love it. And I love the detail of the gray going down the middle. I'm probably gonna wear this like tomorrow. I love tote bags, you guys. Y'all probably already know that though. Next up is this Skin & Co. Roma Blue in Capri Shower Gel. Ooh, the Italian collection. It's limited edition. Let me smell this. I've got to smell this. Oh, I've got to open it. Daddy. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I wish you guys could smell this through the through the screen. Okay, so it's with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Wow. Wow, it smells so good. You guys, I'm totally like a shower gel junkie. I love trying shower gels out. I cannot wait to try this. And that's another great thing, is that I'm so busy, I don't really have time to like browse and look for different and new products. So it's great that this box comes with like a variety of different brands and products that I can try out. And if I love it, I have like a full-size version of it. And I don't have to like go to the store right away. Like I can thoroughly enjoy it and actually use it more than once to really see if I really love it and the product works for me. So I'm so excited to try this shower gel out. This shower gel retails for $22. Whew, y'all, I feel like this box is like never ending. I'm like, have so much stuff in here. Okay, so next is by Farmacy. It's the Do It All Total Eye Cream. Ooh, y'all, I've been needing some new eye cream. I'm super excited. I've never, ooh, I gotta try this out. Okay, so it's contains naturally derived ingredients, free of parabens, free of formaldehyde, which is good, and not tested on animals, which is also really good. Let me open this up. Ooh, very cool. Total eye cream. Let me smell this. I feel like the texture, I'm just doing like a little texture just to feel, ooh, it feels really good. Goes on really smooth. I love that it does it. Like some eye creams I feel like feel too like dewy and heavy, and this one like is very soft and it goes on pretty smooth. Very cool. Excited to try this. I've really been needing new eye cream, so This came right on time. And let's see, the price of this, it retails for $38. So again, literally $1 less than the price of what you pay for this box. It's like a no-brainer, you guys. I can't believe I've gone this long without trying a FabFitFun box. Next is by Grown Alchemist. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Ooh, pink grapefruit. Glucomannan extract. A gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to delaminate dry and dead skin cells and simulate cell regeneration. Ooh. Very cool. Let me smell this. Smells good. This retails for, wow, $67. Wow. I love that these products like aren't like cheap or like from generic brands. Like they're from legit, reputable, really amazing brands. So this is free from skin aging toxins, no petrochemicals, artificial fragrance, releasers, no paraffins, and no parabens, a lot of stuff. And I'm really excited to try this. I love like face stuff, like face cream, face mask, sheet mask, like eye creams. That is me. Like I actually prefer like that type of stuff over makeup. I like makeup too, but I feel like I'm more of like the face, like the moisturizers, the cream, the sheet mask. Probably because I don't really know how to do makeup that well. I feel like if I knew how to do bomb makeup, I would love it so much more. But man, this is like totally my box right now. And last but not least, this was actually not included as like in the value. Sometimes they have like bonus products, and they put in a Luna Rica Bar. It's salted caramel nut. I'm actually going to try this right now. Ooh, it smells really good. Really good. Have y'all tried Luna Bars? They're really good. I haven't tried it until now. It's the cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. Very good. All right, you guys, that is all for everything that was in my FabFitFun fall box. I'm seriously blown away. Is it worth it? I would say heck yes. Totally, absolutely worth it. I can't believe all of the products that I got for just $39.99, and you guys can experience this too. I highly recommend it. Check it out, the link in the description box. Use my code DEE for $10 off, and you can get all these things for $39.99. Like, it's such an amazing deal, and they're very hassle-free. You don't have to like sign up for all 4 boxes. You could choose 1 or 2 boxes if you want. You can cancel at any time, which is really great. I know myself, I don't like being like stuck to something if I'm not even sure about it. Y'all, like I really highly recommend you guys check it out. I'm so excited. I'm officially a fan, and I can't wait to get even more boxes in the future. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Leave me comments down below. What was your favorite product that I featured in this box on this video? And let me know if you actually have any of these products already. That would be cool to know as well. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.